Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point Heat Exchangers and Blue Baron Truck Mounts, as well as many other accessories. We're starting a division with the CNC plasma cutting, and this will allow us to tailor-make parts fitting your situation, whether it be an installation of a new truck mount or whether you want to have better installation hardware for your blower or your water pump. We build T-brackets, 3/16 stick. We also do up to quarter plate as well. We do aluminum, carbon steel, and then we do stainless. We also build brackets for the installation underneath the van so that you have a sturdy installation. We do all kinds of corner gussets. We do different types of angle, and we do threaded pieces and flanges for, say, a good example for this would be for your recovery tank. A lot of cases, they had the Hydromasters where they had deteriorated, and we ended up selling this that actually fits Hydromaster recovery tank. And as you can see, we got T brackets. We got smaller plate for end pieces for heat exchangers, as well as the same for this as well. So we're going to have a lot of cutting surfaces going on with our CNC plasma cutter. And we'll be programming in each customer's design. What you do is send me, it could be a picture, could be a drawing, send me the dimensions. I'll go through the software and generate a beautiful piece of plasma cutting CNC'd, and it will help you in the process of installation, whether you're doing a repair, whether you want to hang we build these T-brackets for the silencer as well as the heat exchangers, so you'll have varying sizes that we can build for you. These are just examples here, but like I said, the list goes on. We're even doing logo nameplates that are for your company theme to improve and enhance your marketing strategy for your company. So we're here to produce all the parts that you need for a flat plate. We don't do too much on the 3D, multiple 3D type designs, but we're going to be doing a lot of flat plate, and the equipment we are using is costly and expensive, but it will certainly pay for itself in helping people out. So we just want you to be able to do your install, do your repair. If you want a better way of installing your blower by putting this under the bracketed feet of your blower, putting a pullback tab with threaded 3/8/16 pullback tab to allow tension on your blower, this is a wonderful way of doing it. These are size for the 47 blower. This is size for the smaller blower. This is the 47, the 45. The distances are all been designed in a way and measured off to be accurate. These are mainly for anything that you want to install, or whether it be in a heat exchanger or anything that you want to install on your machine. We do mounting plates. We do larger areas as well. So we're going to give you an excellent front panel, short-bodied, low-profile panels as well if you decide you don't want to go too big on the structure of your framing. Either way, we cover all industries as well, but this is primarily tailored for the Blue Baron truck-mounted machines at the truck mount store and for all related floor care industry machines. And just call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Click the CNC Plasma tab. We'll be starting on a pricing schedule for pieces. Just send us a drawing or send us a request, and we'll design a beautiful cut piece of either aluminum, carbon steel, or stainless for you. Thank you.